Add a new text. Center it. And rotate it 90 degrees on the x-axis. Change the font to this one, or whatever you prefer. Convert the text to a curve so we can edit the vertices. Extrude it by 0.01 and bevel with 0.005. Duplicate the text and drag it to the back. Then change the extrude value to 0.03. Duplicate the first text one more time to the back. This is our text now. We should go to the Shading tab to give it some textures. I have already created the materials. We should just assign them to the text parts. The first material is a procedural scratchy metal, which can be used for the front and the back part of the text. For the middle part of the text, I used this animated background, which I have created inside After Effects. The fun part is that you can change the color of this texture by changing the value on hue and saturation node. Well, that concludes this video. Hope you like the final result. Thanks for watching, and peace.